Welcome to English 2010 Online at Salt Lake Community College. This version of English 2010 Online is taught by a team of instructors who work together to teach this course and meet with you to help you with your writing. We're all very excited about English 2010 this semester, and here's a few reasons why. This is a class in public writing, writing from sources, multimedia composing, and more. In this version of English 2010, you'll meet online regularly, one-on-one or in small groups with your instructor, or with a tutor or one of the other professors on this team, and this means that your writing will be getting lots of attention. We like this approach because we find it's more personalized, and we hope you'll find this setup supportive and useful as you navigate this class. There's a detailed syllabus which I urge you to read carefully. The link is on our homepage in Canvas, and everything that you need to know about this course up front is there. You should ask questions when you need to in this course, but we also encourage you to be a fully empowered learner, which in part means being responsible for investigating the course to find out what's there. So read the syllabus and explore in Canvas. You'll have lots of opportunities to talk with your instructors in this course since we'll be meeting regularly, but you can also always contact your instructor outside of those meetings by messaging him or her in Canvas or by any other method your instructor provides. We're always glad to answer your questions and to talk with you about the course, so please don't hesitate. The goal of this course is to help you become a more flexible, adaptable, and purposeful writer. Part of that process is the study of rhetoric, which is the art of effective communication and the study of what choices communicators make and how effective those choices are on different audiences in different situations. You'll learn about different genres of writing and the circumstances and typical communication situations that call for those genres. You'll learn new strategies of research, and you'll become more knowledgeable about documenting and citing that research. And you'll write in more than one medium, visual mediums like comics, photo essays, and audiovisual mediums like videos or screencasts. In other words, you're going to practice multimodal composition. If any of this sounds slightly intimidating, don't worry, we'll learn these things. You don't have to already know them. What we want is to encourage you to take risks as a writer in this class, to try new and different kinds of writing, and to explore your ideas and communicative strategies in ways that you might not have before. Most of all in this class, you're going to be learning how to think rhetorically, how to more fully assess and imagine the situations in which you might write, and how to adapt and attune your writing to those situations and respond to those situations in fitting and apt ways. There's no textbook for this course. Instead, we use open educational resources and make our own teaching materials. All of the reading you'll do in this class will be accessible on the web or in Canvas. To be successful in this course, you need to be proactive and self-motivated. The course has many tools to help you stay engaged and on track, but you're going to be the one who makes the decision on a regular basis to take up those tools, to respond to your peers in discussions, to begin your writing assignment so that you have plenty of time to research, draft, get responses, and revise. It's been my experience that successful online students do ask lots of questions, and a writing class like this one depends on your own engagement with the tools and materials at your disposal. In other words, this is not a lecture course where you passively absorb information and then attempt to spit it back out. Essentially, it's a creative course, and you can think of it like taking instrument lessons. You don't become a better piano player by listening to an expert talk about piano playing. You improve with practice, and that's the approach we take to writing in this course. We're all looking forward to working with you this semester, and we'll be meeting you online soon in a WebEx chat room for Lab Session 1.